Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on JASMY. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the rejection by the resistance of another down channel, we had a big drop, and the price and was once again dropped at the support of that down channel on the daily time frame. And this was my last video, by the way. Now, if you take a look at the live daily time frame, then you can see that now the pricing is gearing up after testing the support of this down channel. However, while moving to the downside this time after this rejection by the resistance, we have lost this very significant up trend line support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this up trend line support is a very long term coming from the month of October 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and now on the daily time frame chart, we have broken it down. But on the weekly time frame, so far the candlestick is not closed below this support. Therefore, I would suggest to wait for the weekly closing because this is a very long-term support. And if we will have a weekly candlestick close below this support, then there will be a probability that we may see another drop to the downside from here. However, so far so good. The price and on the 7 days time frame chart could not break it down. And on a daily time frame chart, you can see that we have broken it down here. You can see that on the 7 days time frame chart. In fact, we are breaking it down, but so far the candlestick is not closed. But on the daily time frame chart, we have completely broken down the support. And by the way, after the breakdown, we also had one rejection as well. Yeah, this support is now flipped into a resistance on the daily time frame. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout. And I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And you can see that so far, from this low to here, JASMY has rallied more than 2,069%, but could not break out this long-term resistance line. That starts from 5 cents and goes to 6.1 cents. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is your trade setup for Steam, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 3rd of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Within few moments, you can see that how the price had moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was a very powerful pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the daily time frame, the live daily time frame of JASMY. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is moving inside this channel since after 8th of December 2024. We had rejection here, bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, and another bounce here, rejection. Now the pricing is once again getting bounced on this support. But this time we will need to break out this up trend line resistance as well. And after breaking it out, the price line can imminently move at this long-term resistance of 2.7 cents. That was recently also working as a very strong support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this 2.7 cents has been previously working as a support here, resistance here, and resistance here. This is a very long-term support and resistance level, and this time it can again work as a very, very strong resistance for the price end of JASMY. And if the price end breaks out this down channel, then technical target for the breakout will be again here at the top of the channel at 5 cents. And from 5 cents to 6.1 cents, we have already quite long-term resistance on that has been previously working as a support on here, resistance on here, and again worked as a very strong resistance here in the month of December 2024, in the first week of December 2024. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very, very powerful rally. But still, the price line did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.